Hey everyone, today I want to take you on a spiritual journey that countless Muslims dream of, Umrah. Imagine standing in front of the majestic Kaaba, feeling a profound connection with millions of believers who have stood in that same spot. The journey begins as you arrive in the holy city of Mecca. The anticipation builds as you make your way to Masjid al-Haram. The first sight of the Kaaba is breathtaking. It's not just a building, it's the heart of Islam. You start with tawaf, circling the Kaaba 7 times counterclockwise. Each step feels like shedding layers of worldly stress, bringing you closer to a state of spiritual purity. The air is filled with prayers, and you feel a deep sense of unity with every pilgrim around you. Next is the Sa'i, walking between the hills of Safa and Marwa. This commemorates Hagar's desperate search for water for her son, Ishmael. It's a powerful reminder of faith and perseverance. Every step here is symbolic, connecting you to a story of divine mercy and human endurance. One of the most moving parts of Umrah is drinking from the Zamzam well. This water has quenched the thirst of prophets, saints, and millions of pilgrims for centuries. It's said to have miraculous properties, and taking a sip feels like a blessing. The entire experience of Umrah is a journey of the soul. It's about seeking forgiveness, making dua, and feeling closer to Allah. Every moment in Mecca is a step towards spiritual renewal, but remember, the journey doesn't end here. The lessons and blessings of Umrah stay with you, guiding you in your everyday life. You'll leave Mecca with a heart full of gratitude and a spirit ready to face the world with renewed faith. So if you're planning this incredible journey, embrace each moment. It's not just a trip, it's a transformation. Safe travels, and may Allah bless your Umrah. Thanks for joining me on this spiritual journey. If you found this inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace and blessings be upon you.